Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I made this DIY Dollar Tree Easter Centerpiece. I'm reusing my DIY Dollar Tree photo frame box. I'll try to make sure to include a link to the video in the description box below. I decided to get a little experimental with this one, and I really wanted to incorporate this cute little Easter basket already pre-made. Of course, you don't have to do this part, and you can just make a normal floral arrangement with the cylindrical floral foam. However, I really wanted to make something different since most of my centerpieces have been a lot of floral arrangements. So I go ahead and use the remainder of my floral stems that I picked up for my DIY Dollar Tree Easter wreath, and I decided to use the remainder of them for this DIY centerpiece. So I go ahead and start by removing the florals from their stems, and I felt like it would look best if I put the little basket at the very top of the cylindrical floral foam. Perhaps the most awkward floral that I picked up was this sharp blue floral, and I thought it would look best along the sides of the basket. So I go ahead and first glue the basket down and then follow that up with gluing down the blue florals along either side of the basket. With the excessive amounts of faux leaves from these floral stems, I go ahead and use them to try to cover up the floral foam surrounding the blue floral that I used already onto this centerpiece. I really wanted to challenge myself with this project, and I realized how much I challenged myself simply by using this basket because it was really difficult to try to come up with some sort of pattern, though I still tried. I will admit that I would have liked to have had odd amounts of both of the florals, but unfortunately that's not the way it came out. So I just did the best that I could with the remaining florals that I had. Since this piece is going to be taller than my photo frame box, I might not actually use the photo frame box this time around for Easter, but I thought I'd just go ahead and give you some options. You can also just create a larger photo frame box as well. If you decide to give this project a try, feel free to fill in the gaps with more florals than me. Get creative, go ahead and decorate it with more than just the florals. You can decide to add ribbon if you want. I'm keeping it simple and just using the remaining florals and embellishments that I have. Please let me know in the comments below what you're thinking of this project so far. I feel this is quite different than my previous DIY centerpieces, and I felt like it's a little bit of an experiment as well. And in case you're new to my channel, I am by no means an expert florist. And honestly, you really don't need to be either. You just put together what you feel looks good to you and then just glue it down. And that's exactly what I did. I put it together and just arranged it as best as I could with the products that I picked up. I really enjoy these two shades together, and so I decided to use it because I figured that their strong colors will cause the light or pastel colors to pop as well. Also, a side note, in case this might bother anybody, I apologize for showing the cord to my hot glue gun. I recently went ahead and rearranged my setup and hadn't figured out how to make sure the hot glue gun didn't show the actual cord. I'll try to make sure to fix that for the next video. So my daughter isn't turning 2 until after Easter, and she already has eggs from last year. But I did buy a few extra ones just because I noticed that Dollar Tree had some other designs I didn't see the previous year. So I will say that I didn't need the entire package for the speckled eggs that I picked up for the wreath I made. So I figured I'd go ahead and use the purple ones in this project. I also wanted to elevate this basket by adding the remaining preferred faux leaves to the back. Because this basket has a handle, I feel like this project doesn't even have to be a centerpiece. It could be hung on the wall instead as a wall decor piece. You can also add a cute chalkboard sign from Dollar Tree with any saying that you want in the front. To set it up in the photo frame box, I just add some remaining leaves to the 4 corners, and then I just drop the remaining leaves wherever randomly, and then I go ahead and put my centerpiece inside, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.